insane.
Trippy. 150 million meatballs. Then Bibles. To IKEA! Yeah. IKEA is mad efficient.
Redefining efficiency. That's gonna hit your head like a million times though. 9 fucking cents.
Conceived on an IKEA bed.
It's height adjustable.
Empty here. That's so sick. What up, dude?
What's up?
We're going to IKEA.
Yeah.
Okay, come with.
How could that possibly happen?
Yeah, how would you can feel it?
Can feel it.
You can feel it.
It's so empty here
Well, we're lucky.
because of the virus. This looks so different from home. Dude, we're gonna have to take like a huge disinfecting shower after this to clean the virus.
For sure.
To clean the virus
But
off our
then we
bodies.
have less number of people, so it's
True.
kind of good.
It's pretty empty here. Who doesn't love to spend your afternoon in a giant 300,000 square
Me.
foot Swedish home goods furniture store?
This is how it is back in Hyderabad.
The same?
It's the same.
Same
The way,
setup?
the way you enter, the parking. It's
Yeah.
really the same.
It's a little different in America. The parking is outside, like huge parking lot outside.
Yeah.
They're actually shopping. We're having fun. This is such a nice table.
And the chair too, you know, you can do 360.
Apparently IKEA uses 1% of the world's wood.
1%.
1%. It's the biggest consumer of wood in the world. I like these TVs.
This is thinner than the one they show on the TV.
Cordless.
Yeah. I remember buying these two.
Yeah, they smell so good.
So big.
There are more IKEA catalogs printed every year than Bibles. That's so sick. Magic, man.
See, I'm tall enough.
It's like IKEA witchcraft.
Yeah, we have this back at our place too. It's height adjustable. Expensive too.
Yeah, for the electronic one.
1,000 RM.
It's like, it's expensive, like over $500. What's for dinner, man? Ooh, some Tupperware.
That looks tasty.
Looks pretty good.
Alright, we have some rice.
1 out of 10 Europeans are conceived on an IKEA bed.
Yep.
It's so empty here. This is the least crowded I've ever seen IKEA.
Exactly.
Oh yeah.
That's gonna hit your head like a million times though. What do you think about these?
Trippy. They'd make a room look really big.
Yeah, actually, yeah. Oh my god. Corona time.
Corona time.
Yep.
Bruh. We're in the rainforest.
Got the ball.
IKEA tricks.
Yeah, it's like zip. This doesn't bounce though.
No. That guy just pushed his girlfriend into the
Yeah,
bin of the
I saw.
stuffed snakes.
He hit her face on that.
I used to have this one when I was a kid.
Yo, this.
Except mine actually worked. This one
Yeah.
doesn't work.
I have this on top of the bed.
On top of the
Oh,
bed.
this is super soft.
Ooh, nice. We're in the rainforest again, guys. The IKEA forest. Bruh, this place is huge. This is bigger than the restaurant, than the American ones.
Yeah, give it
8 balls, he says.
Yeah, that's alright.
Oh, yeah.
That's a lot of food.
Ooh, look at all that. Yeah, buddy. IKEA sells 150 million meatballs every year. No joke. Like by the warehouse.
Yeah, they did come here, but where the hell did they go from here?
You can't find them. That's something you won't find in the America IKEA.
But then that's intelligent too, right? Yeah.
Thank you.
How to do that though?
You don't allow
Look at this.
the one in the middle. Okay, put the coin on the coin here. All right, put the coin here. All right, it's gonna run.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, there you go.
That's unreal.
This is insane.
Bruh, IKEA is mad efficient.
Mad.
It's crazy.
It's insane. Guess how much the ice cream costed us? 90 fucking cents.
90 cents. That's like 20 US cents. Unbelievable. IKEA in Malaysia, man. It was a success. How's it
Yeah.
different from IKEA in India, or is it the same?
Nah, it was pretty much the same though.
Yeah.
But the ice cream softy cone.
Yeah, that was something. That's something we don't have in America.
IKEA
You
is just redefining efficiency.
Really though, really. But yeah, anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will see you in the next one. Later, friends.